All right, guys, I am at the Morgan-Monroe State Forest again. I'm gonna hike Low Gap Trail. It's about a 10-mile trail. I've done it before. I got a video on it before. Today I want to practice my bear hang and I want to try out my stove, so I'll cook lunch out on the trail. It is 35 degrees and it was snowing this morning, so as you can see, it's a very pretty day. So, all right, let's get going. 7 miles into the hike, so got about 3 more miles to go. I've been hiking for about 3 hours and it's time for lunch. So today I'm gonna make some sour cream and chives mashed potatoes with some tuna, and I'm gonna do that on my MSR Pocket, the MSR Pocket Rocket 2. And this is the first time that I'm actually using this to cook, so hopefully this thing works out. It won't take that long to boil. Turning it off now. Now I'm just gonna do my potatoes. Just kind of dump that in there. Hot. Add a little protein. Put a little. And there's my lunch: tuna and mashed potatoes. All right, so that's pretty much my cook setup. I have the MSR Pocket Rocket 2, very lightweight and did a pretty good job. I have a cup, and then I have 2 cups, and then I have, that's for my coffee and my oatmeal in the mornings, and then this is my cook pot. And this is my bag that I'm going to use. Okay, so I tied a little rock bag to my clip and I threw it over that tree limb here. So this is not a very strong branch. I just wanted to practice a little bit. So now, after I get that done, I unclip this here and I clip it to here. Once I clip it to there, I take my rope and I put it through there and I pull it up. So it's all the way up at the top, and now I grab my dog bone here and I fold this and stick it through the end of the dog bone. So once I tie it all the way through, I go on that, I put it all the way through, and then I loop it around one side of the bones, and then as I let it go, it hits on the carabiner. And my bag is hung up and nobody can get to it. Then to get it off, you just pull it back and take it off one side of the dog bone and let it down. And that's how I'm going to be hanging my bag on the Appalachian Trail. Okay,
It was a good little practice hike. A little over 10 miles and about 4.5 hours. So very happy with how my stove worked out. Definitely going to use that in the Appalachian Trail. And although I practiced my bear bag hang a couple different times, it was at home with the lower branch, so pretty stoked that I got to try it out here in a state forest. But so yeah, it's my trip's coming up in about 2 weeks. Nervous, excited. It's going to be a really good fun adventure. Yeah, so if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for more reminders. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.